Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D book cover sticker to use on your Instagram stories. So you can use this either when you're creating your own story or when you're sharing one of your posts to your stories or sharing somebody else's posts to your stories. Um, in this example, I'm sharing a post, but you can do it either way. So first, we're going to create a book cover. I've shared this 3D book cover creator quite a few times, but I'll put the link in the description so you can find it. But we're just going to go here and upload the flat book cover that we want to make it into a 3D book cover because I feel like it looks nicer and more interesting. So we're going to pick the book cover, upload, click next, and then we're going to choose the PNG option, which gives it a transparent background. It will automatically download. So now with this download, we want to send that to our phone because you can only do this on your phone since it's an Instagram thing. I send it to my phone using Slack because I have Slack on my computer and Slack on my phone, and it's just the easiest way to send things to myself. But you can email it to yourself or put it in your Google Drive, whatever is easiest for you. And then once you're on your phone, you're going to want to open up Instagram. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Let's switch to my phone here. Oops. There we go. So now I'm going to find the video I want to share. I'm going to share Annalise's here. Click the add to story. And then I'm going to click this little sticker button and I'm going to choose cutouts. You only have to do this once, which is really great because you can see here it saves the cutouts I've made before. So you're going to pick the picture you want, and then it's going to automatically cut it out, and you'll just click use sticker, and boom, there you go. Super easy. You don't have to do it again. You can move it around, make it big, make it small, all kinds of fun things. So yeah, try it out.